Hi, in this short video, we will discuss empow's SIEM main dashboard and attack story investigation. empow's SIEM provides security analysts a top-down analysis experience for identifying attacks, all without human-generated rules. This is empow's main dashboard. The main dashboard provides operational status and health status of the SIEM data sources. In addition, the main dashboard is the starting point of the security analyst's workflow. Key aspect of the data sources status is alerting on any event types that were not received in the SIEM for a predefined period of time. This allows a quick detection of any missing data that can result in overlooking threats within the organization. SIEM connected all the dots between the events received from different sources, prioritize the attack story, and provide an intuitive and user-friendly experience to easily understand the attack sequence and further investigate it. Let's click on a top attack to get a better understanding of the threat. The attack story is a graphical representation of all the entities and attack vectors associated to a single attack story. The entities are represented as nodes, while each edge represents one or more attack technique. For example, we can see that an initial access was through spear phishing technique targeting Emilia C PC. On another edge, we see a network scanning and brute force attempt from Emilia PC to Aris PC. By clicking on each one of the entities, we can learn more about the entity. The entity card shows a summary for each specific host or user related to the attack. Within one click, the security analyst can learn about the user's identity, get additional information with regards to their department, personal contact information, and sensitivity. In the next upcoming tutorials, we will discuss specific use cases and relevant response methods supported by empow. Getting back into the main dashboard, we can see that not only top attacks, but also top entities can start an analyst workflow. This was a short representation of how empow SIEM provides security analysts a top-down analysis experience for identifying attacks. Thanks.